Friends, in the previous class we discussed the topic cross product of vectors. In the topic cross product of vectors, we completed level 2 classwork, 14 sums, and level 3 11th question also regarding same model, cross product of vectors. Now we are in level 2. Now we are in level 2 classwork. Level 2 classwork 14 completed. Let us discuss about 15th question. Read the question and try to get the answer. It is easy question. Let x bar and y bar are two non-collinear vectors, and ABC be a triangle with sides small a, small b, small c. Then the triangle is x, y are the two vectors non-collinear. He is giving the relation to the triangle. X bar, y bar are two non-collinear vectors, and ABC is a triangle with sides a, b, c. Opposite of capital A is small a, and opposite of capital B is small c, and opposite of capital C is small c. This is capital B, this is small b, this is small c. He given the condition satisfying. Condition he given as 20a. You don't put it as a bar, it is a scalar. 20a minus 15b into x bar, this is a vector, plus 15b minus 12c into y bar, plus 12c minus 20a into given as x bar cross y bar is equal to 0 bar, it is a null vector. Here you should try to understand that x bar is a vector and y bar is a vector. Here x cross y given. Whenever x cross y given, then you should try to understand that x cross y is the perpendicular vector to both x bar and y bar. So, what is the value he given? He given is nothing but a linear combination of three vectors. The linear combination r bar is equal to xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar, like that. For x a bar, for y b bar, for z c bar. That is the linear combination. Here it is discussing about x bar, y bar and x cross y. Given the data as x bar and y bar are non-collinear vectors. In a linear combination of vectors he given about the concept non-collinear, non-coplanar, non-parallel. Once again I am repeating, non-collinear, non-parallel, non-coplanar vectors. If the data he given and he written the linear combination, then the three vectors becomes linearly independent. That implies, since I am writing here, since x comma y are non-collinear vectors, non-collinear, non-parallel, non-coplanar. If any concept is given non-collinear vectors, then you can try to understand that x bar comma y bar comma x bar cross y bar are linearly independent. This is the concept, linearly independent. So linear combination, I had written here linearly independent. Whenever linearly independent, the total linear combination is 0 and they are having separate zero scalars. That is, this component, this is 0 separately, this is 0 separately, and this is 0 separately. That implies you can write here 20a minus 15b equal to 0. Like that for everything you can write 15b minus 12c, 15b minus 12c equal to 0. Next you can write here 12c minus 20a equal to 0. So linear combination is 0, depends upon linearly independent. You can say that 20a is equal to 15b, comma 15b is equal to 12c, comma 12c is equal to 20a. Here you divide with a common number. The common number is 5. So you can write 4a. 4a is equal to 3b. Here you divide with a common number, maybe 3. Okay, 3. Here 4c. You divide with the common number 4. So 3c is equal to 5a. 4a equal to 3b, 5a equal to 4c, 3c equal to 5a. They are in proportionate values. A by b by c by I am writing. A by b, a is equal like this. You can adjust the numbers. Let us write a by 3 here, b by 4 here, c by 5 here. 4a equal to 3b, 5a equal to 4c, 3c equal to, okay, 5a. The relation we had written like this is equal to lambda. The here a, b, c denotes the lengths of the sides. So a is equal to 3 lambda, so 3 parts. B is equal to 4 parts. C is equal to 5 parts. So what is indicated here? A is equal to 3 parts. B is equal to 4 parts. C is equal to 5 parts. Right angle triangle. Everyone know that 3, 4, 5 are the measurements of the right angle triangle. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So angle C is equal to 90 degrees. You can write here angle C is equal to 90 degrees. The triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. The two right angled triangle at C you can write. The triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. It is at C. Simply the option he given as right angled triangle. 15th question completed. Let us discuss about 16th question. The pairs A bar, B bar, in concept I said that regarding the vectors. Regarding the cross product of two vectors and parallel concept I said previously, the same question he given here. A bar, B bar, 16th one, the pairs A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar determines a plane, meaning coplanar. The planes are A bar, the pairs A bar, B bar and C bar, D bar each determines a plane. Then the planes are parallel, two planes are parallel, okay, no problem. A you write here like this. Here you write here A bar, you write here B bar. We said that the vector A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar in the direction of A bar cross B bar. And another vector put like this. Here C bar and here D bar. This is a vector C bar cross D bar is perpendicular to C bar and D bar and in the direction of C bar comma D bar. So these are given and writing. Given A cross B comma C cross D. This is the perpendicular line to A bar B bar. This is the perpendicular line to the C bar D bar. A bar cross B bar and C bar cross D bar are parallel because he given the planes are parallel. Whenever two vectors are parallel, then you can write directly A bar cross product is 0. A bar cross B bar and C bar cross D bar is 0. Let us discuss about 17th question. These are easy questions. The vector equation of line passing through the point and perpendicular to the given two vectors. Whenever he given two vectors, a vector perpendicular to both, then you should calculate the formula A cross B. Then let us discuss about A bar is equal to, first given point, A bar is equal to I minus 2j plus k. Now B bar is equal to 2i, B bar is equal to 2i minus 3j, this is 3. B bar is equal to 2i minus 3j minus k, and C bar is equal to I plus 4j, I plus 4j minus 2k. Now to find I am writing. We should calculate B bar cross C bar because it is perpendicular to both vectors. B is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 1 4 minus 2. Using determinant property, here you write I, j, k, B value 2 minus 3 minus 1 and this is 1 4 minus 2. So I bar into this is 6 plus 4 10 you write and minus j into minus 4 plus 1 it becomes minus 3 plus k into 8 plus 3 this is 11. It's okay. Now to find equation of plane I am writing equation of plane, what he given, equation of plane passing through a point, equation of passing through a point A bar and perpendicular to n bar, it's a unit normal vector, given the formula r bar minus a bar dot n cap equal to 0. So r bar minus a bar. Let us see the option whether he given Cartesian equation or vector equation. So he given in vector equation. So not in the form he given. Perpendicular, simply the 17th question, the vector equation of line passing through the point r bar is equal to vector equation given. It is not in the form of Cartesian equation. So let us write in the form of a bar plus t bar simply. Equation of plane I am writing as equation of plane passing through. Equation of plane r bar is equal to a bar plus tb bar date. What is r bar? R bar is simply r bar. A bar means I minus 2j plus k plus t into whatever the value now we got here. This one you should write. 10i minus 3j. This is 3. 10i minus 3j plus k. 10i minus 3j plus k. 11k. 10i minus of minus plus becomes here. 10i plus 3j plus 11k. Here given third option. Next, let us discuss about 13th question. Sorry, 18th question. Equation of plane containing the lines. Two lines given. The lines which is in the form of two lines given. The lines which is in the form of r bar is equal to a bar plus tb bar and r bar is equal to c bar plus sd bar, like that. Two equations given. One equation is passing through a point and parallel to another vector, like that. The two equations he given. Given equations I am writing. Given equation of lines. Equation of plane containing the lines. R bar is equal to first one I minus 2j plus k. R bar equal to plus t into I plus 2j. I plus 2j minus k. Next one r bar is equal to I plus 2j. I plus 2j minus k. R bar equal to I plus 2j minus k plus s into I plus j. I plus j plus 3k. Equation of plane containing the lines. Whenever he given the data containing the lines, everyone try to understand that the plane depends upon these. What is called as this? These are passing through point and this is direction ratio. So depends upon direction ratio. Perpendicular you should calculate. Passing through. What we given? Equation of plane containing the lines. Then r bar dot n bar is equal to p concept. Now equation of plane containing lines is given. Then now you should try to understand first of all a cross b, n unit normal vector I am saying, calculate I j k and this one 1 2 minus 1 and this is 1 1 3. I into 2 to the 6 plus 1, this is 7, minus j into 3 plus 1, this is 4, plus k into minus 1. Using the options we can get 7i minus 4j minus k is equal to 14. Verified first option here. Equation of plane containing the lines given. So, whatever the value, perpendicular value n cap is equal to 7i. Given 7i minus 4j minus k. 49 plus 16 plus 1. Unit normal vector. So 7 r bar dot 7i minus 4j plus k. Okay, this first option. Next, let us discuss about 19th question. A unit vector perpendicular to the lines. Shall I, first of all, we can write lines. X plus 1 by 3 is equal to y plus 2 by 1 is equal to z plus 1 by 2. It is a first one. Next, x minus 2 by 1. Next, y plus 2 by 2. Next, z minus 3 by 3. It is the second one. Unit vector perpendicular to, same concept, depends upon ratios. A cross B you write here. Here you can write I, J, K, 3, 1, 2, and here 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 4 you can write minus I, minus J into 3 3s are 9 minus 2. You can write 7 here, plus K into 6 minus 1, 5. Let us verify. Minus I, minus 7J plus 5K. Minus I, only one option is there. So unit vector is asked. Unit vector is equal to plus or minus A bar cross B bar by modulus of A cross B. So plus or minus we can write here minus I minus 7J plus 5K. Minus I minus 7J plus 5K whole by root of 1 plus 49 plus 25. 75. 75 is given as 5 root 3. So verified second option. Next, 20th question. Dear students, 20th question is the same answer of the 30th and 13th question. 20th question same as the question what we discussed in level 2 classwork 13th question. There we calculated the answer lambda equal to plus or minus 4, but he given here lambda equal to minus 4. So no need to say now. Next, let us discuss about 20th question. 19 questions, 20 completed, 21 question, 21st one. A bar is a non-zero vector and A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot C bar given. According to given data, we should verify the options. So, A bar 21 question. A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar equal to A bar dot C bar. Comma. A bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross C bar. Then he is asking. Then what is the value? A bar dot B bar. We can write here. A bar dot B bar minus A bar dot C bar equal to 0. If we take common here, A bar dot B bar minus C bar equal to 0, that means A bar is equal to 0 or B bar minus C bar equal to 0, or we can write that A bar perpendicular to B bar minus C bar. This is first position. Next, let us write here A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross C bar equal to 0 bar. This is vector. If we take in common A bar, then we can write A bar cross B bar minus C bar equal to 0. We can say that A bar parallel to B bar minus C bar, or here also A bar equal to 0 comma B bar minus C bar equal to 0. Here you try to understand this one. I am putting a box here. A bar perpendicular to B bar minus C bar and A bar parallel to B bar minus C bar. A vector is not possible for another vector at the same instant perpendicular to parallel condition. A vector should not be either it is parallel or it is perpendicular. Two conditions never satisfy. So it is wrong. So compulsory you should use B bar is equal to C bar. A vector A bar perpendicular to B bar minus C bar, and these two conditions not possible I am writing. Not possible. Two conditions are not possible at the same instant. Therefore, you can conclude that B bar is equal to C bar. Otherwise, if we given A bar equal to 0 null vector, then everything will become null vector. So already he given non-zero vector. So you should confirm that B bar equal to C bar. It is second option. Next, 22nd. Let us discuss about 22nd question. A bar is a non-zero vector. 22nd. A cross B. A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. A cross B equal to B cross C equal to C cross A, then what is the value of A bar plus B bar plus C bar? A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to dash. This is originally in IP sum is there. Consider A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0 bar. Let it be first equation. Next sum we can put. A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to minus C bar, you write. Next, let you hear first equation, no problem. Because now multiply by A both sides. Like that for every time, first A bar, next B bar, next C bar, like that we can multiply. Multiply by A bar both sides I am writing. If you multiply A bar both sides, A cross A becomes 0. You can write here A cross B plus A cross C equal to 0 bar. Then you can say that A cross B minus C cross A equal to 0. This is C cross A. Let it be second equation. Now once again I am writing multiply by B bar both sides. The vector B bar. Multiply by B bar both sides to first one. So now we can get B bar cross A bar plus B cross B becomes 0 and B bar cross C bar equal to 0 bar. B cross A you can write as minus A cross B and taken that side it becomes B cross C is equal to A cross B. Let it be third equation. Now I am writing that from 2 and 3 we have. From 2 and 3 we have. From first equation, second equation, third equation we can conclude that A cross B equal to C cross A cross B equal to B cross C, then A cross B equal to B cross C, B cross equal to C cross A. Therefore, if you are getting any doubt, you can multiply with C bar, then also you can get, then you will be getting for everything. We can say that here A bar cross B bar cross C bar, A bar cross B is equal to B bar cross C is equal to C bar cross A. From where we got, whenever we considered it is a null vector, then only we got the value. Then the answer is A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar, it is a null vector. 22nd completed. In this level 2 class work, this is the last sum now which you are going to discuss, the 23rd sum. 23rd one. 23rd question. If force, let the force letter represented with F bar. F bar is equal to 2i minus lambda j. 2i minus lambda j plus 5k. Applied at the point A1, 2, 5. Its moment about the point. Whenever about the point he given, we should right understand the about the point is first point and through the point is second point. About the point he given, here you put the name about. About the point B minus 1, minus 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, 3. And here A put, it is through the point 1, 2, 5. Now we should calculate moment. Moment the value. Moment formula. Moment is equal to torque. Moment torque tau is equal to R cross F we discussed. This is R bar. R bar means BA here. So tau is equal to, put here this is I, J, K and R bar is AB, OA minus OB, 1 minus 1 this is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4 and 5 minus 3 is 2. 2, 4, 2 we got and here force is 2. Force is 2 minus lambda 5 is equal to, I think he given the value, the moment value he given 16i minus 6j. He given the value 16i minus 6j plus 2 lambda k. That implies calculating now 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 lambda you write. 20 plus 2 lambda into I bar minus 2 5 are 10 minus 4, 6j we got plus next one 2 lambda plus k into minus 2 lambda minus 8. minus 2 lambda into minus 8 into k. 2 4s are 8. Okay, compare with this one. Compare with this one. Compare the vectors I am writing. Whenever you compare the vector I bar, compare I bar, then you can write 20 plus 2 lambda. 20 plus 2 lambda equal to 16. So 2 lambda equal to minus 4 and lambda equal to minus 2. First option we got. Level 2 class work completed. Level 2 class work completed. Next, let us discuss about level 3. Just to enter into level 3. Cross product level 3. A bar, B bar are two vectors in the space given by A bar is equal to I minus 2j by root 5 and B bar is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k by root 14. Then we should calculate the value 2a plus b into a cross b into a minus 2b. We are in cross product of vectors. Now level 3. Total 19 sums are there in level 3. If we finish off this chapter, I can say that cross product will be finished. Level 3. Level 4 are easy sums are there. I am giving homework to you. Level 4. Only I will handle now level 3 sums. Level 3 A bar. First let us read the first question. A bar, B bar are vectors in the space given by A bar he given. Level 3 first one I am writing given value A bar is equal to I bar minus 2j bar by root 5. I bar minus 2j bar by root 5. B bar is equal to he given as 2i plus j plus 3k. 2i plus j plus 3k by root 14. Next find, we should calculate the value, find 2a bar plus b bar. 2a bar plus b bar into a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar cross a bar minus 2b bar. Cross a bar minus 2b bar. 2a plus b into a cross b into a bar minus 2b bar is given. Now, regarding vector product of vectors, here we need a formula. Formula I am writing here. Formula which will be learning vector product of vectors. Of course, you have learnt in IP, I think. A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C. Let us remember this one as ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau. ACB minus whatever the letter we used, the letter should not be used here, and whatever the vector outside, the vector should be put inside. So here C outside is there. ACB is common, don't forget the name as Anti-Corruption Bureau. Okay, now C outside is there, then you put C here. Whatever the vector used, A bar used, you should not use now. Then B bar dot C bar into, only 3 letters are there, B C had written, another vector simply write here. This is the cross product of vector between 3 vectors. Now it is useful. Next, this one also I am saying, A bar cross B bar cross C bar, like that. Same formula, Anti-Corruption Bureau, ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau minus whatever the vector outside is there, you should put inside. So now you should write here A bar dot. Now whatever the letter you used here, you should not use the letter. C used. So now you should use B bar into C bar, like that. Otherwise you write here 1.3. I am saying about A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, like that. 1.3 into 2 minus 2.3 into 1. Here also 1.3 into 2 here. 1.3 into 2 into 3. Here 1.2 into 3, like that. Just this is remembering shortcut. Using this formula we can know this one. Now I am writing 2a bar plus b bar. 2a bar plus b bar into this one. A bar cross b bar cross a bar. I am multiplying here. A bar cross b bar cross a bar minus a bar cross b bar minus a bar cross b bar into 2 is a scalar, you can write anywhere, no problem. Cross b bar. Do carefully. 2a bar plus b bar. 2a bar plus b bar into, use this formula, anti-corruption bureau formula. A into a bar, this one, 1, 3, 2 like that, into b bar. What is the outside vector? Use this formula. So, no need here this formula. Use this first formula. A dot a into b bar minus 2, 3, 1. Here what is the 2? B, a into a, like this. Minus 2 into, using this one. A, 1, 3, 2 like that. A into b minus 2, 3, 1. What is the 2? B here. What is the 3? B here. B bar dot b bar into a bar. Like that. Put a bracket. That is equal to 2a bar plus b bar. 2a bar plus b bar into a bar dot a bar. Everyone know that a bar square. Modulus of a bar square into b bar minus. We can write here a bar dot b bar or b bar dot a bar. Anything, no problem. A dot b minus a into, here you can write understand 2 into a bar dot b bar into b bar minus of minus plus, it becomes 2 into, this is mod b square into a bar, that is equal to. Now once again I am writing the same value, 2a plus b, I am not at all multiplying here, a square mod a square into b bar minus a bar dot b bar, you take common here, a bar dot b bar. Whenever you take common this one, a bar dot b bar, in bracket you can write that a bar plus 2b bar, a bar plus 2b bar plus 2 into mod b square into a bar into mod b square, I have written. Now let us consider, let us calculate the values of mod a square and mod b square. Here I am writing, now here I am writing mod a bar. What is the value of mod a bar here? 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. What is the value of 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5? It is 5 by 5 becomes 1. Now mod b also you can write here. What is the value of mod b? 2 square, 4 by 14 plus 1 by 14 plus 9 by 14. 4 by 14 plus 1 by 14 plus 9 by 14. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 by 14 becomes 1. So, he given the a bar and b bar as unit vector. So, but indirectly he given. Now we calculated. That is equal to, now once again, another value also you should try to understand, students. A bar dot b bar. Here directly it is indicating a bar dot b bar 2 into I dot I 2 minus 2. That's all. No need to multiply with k bar. 2 minus 2 became 0. So a bar dot b bar became as 0. So this value becomes 0. Here I am writing here this one a dot b, a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Now you can write here 2a plus b into 1 into b bar minus this is 0. No need to write it. And this is 2 mod b square, that is equal to 2a bar plus b bar into b bar plus 2 mod b square, simply b bar, okay, plus 2 into mod b square into a, forgot here, a you should write. What is the value of mod b? 1. So no need to write directly, you can write here, it is a 1. So 2a bar you can write here. Now let us write 2a bar. B bar, here we got b bar plus 2a bar. Students try to understand that here we got 2a plus b into b plus 2a. So you can write here 2a bar plus b bar whole square. 2a bar plus b bar whole square. 2a bar plus b bar whole square. Once again I am multiplying 4 mod a square plus b square plus 2 to are 4a bar dot b bar. Again we can understand that a bar dot b bar equal to 0. Again we can understand that 4 mod a square value 1 and mod b square value 1. So this answer is 5. First question is 5. Next, let us discuss about second question. R dot I into R cross I. So he given here R bar. Let us consider the R bar is a vector as xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. R bar dot I into R cross I. Total here he given dot and cross. R bar dot I bar. R bar dot I bar into R cross I plus R bar dot j into R cross j plus R bar dot k into R cross k. Let, I am writing, let R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Let us think first of all R bar cross anything of all R bar dot I also we can do. R bar dot I am saying here R cross xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar cross I bar. Now you can say that I cross I is 0 while multiplying y into j cross I is minus k. Now you can write y into minus k plus z into k cross I. K cross I is j. So z into j you write. Now I am writing about R bar dot I bar. R bar dot I bar becomes simply x because x into I dot I is 1. Now I am writing the calculating. Now I am writing this, let it be 1. From 1 I am writing it. Whatever the value we have taken, it becomes, if we multiply the value x into minus yk plus zj. Try to understand this value, how we are getting the value. R dot I becomes x, that one we know. R dot j becomes y, that also we know. R cross I, R cross I, that we know that R cross I is equal to minus yk plus zj. R cross j, we can say that R cross j value here, whenever you are taking about I, we did not get I. So by second letter k bar. So here third letter minus z I bar. Next here third letter, next zj we got. Zj we got. So we can say that, next we can say that minus z, this is zj bar and z y next z here. Z next to x here. Here z k bar next letter I bar should be there. So but missed j. So I bar next j bar should be there. You miss it. X into k bar. Then you can understand that the next step. Next step z you write plus z into R cross k. What is the value of R here? R cross k. How can you say? Here z completed. Next minus x you write. X. For z I next letter. So j you can write. X next y you can write here. Here every term is missing. So here yk next letter I should be there. Missed j we had written. Next k I next j should be missed. So j k should be missed. So I you should write like that. If we multiply minus xyk plus xzj minus yzi plus xyk, next minus xzj plus yzi Try to understand that minus xyk will be getting cancelled, xzj also getting cancelled, yz also getting cancelled. You got the value 0 bar, it is a null vector. Next one. Second question completed. 0 bar, it is the third option. Next, third question. Third question, modulus of a bar dot b bar is equal to 1. Mod a bar equal to mod b bar equal to 1. The given data, modulus of a bar is equal to 1 and modulus of b bar is equal to 1. And a plus b is equal to root 3. Modulus of a bar plus b bar is equal to root 3. If c is a vector, c minus a minus 2b equal to 3a cross b. This is the given data, also given. This is original given data. This is original given data. Also, he given the condition c bar minus a bar minus 2b bar. C bar minus ab bar minus 2b bar equal to 3 into a cross b. 3 into a cross b. Then, what is the value of c dot b? Find c bar dot b bar. So here indicating that if you multiply with b, it may be better. Then it becomes 0. C into b. So now here you take this one. Here it is 1. Multiply c bar dot b bar he is asking. Now we can write that multiply by b bar both sides. That implies c bar minus a bar minus 2b bar dot b bar is equal to 3 into a bar cross b bar dot b bar. Now, according to triple product of vectors, scalar triple product of vectors, here I am writing dot, dot and cross. Dot and cross can be interchanged. Dot and cross can be interchanged in the triple product of vectors. So, you can write here 3 into a bar dot b cross b. 3 into a bar cross b cross b. That implies whenever we know that b cross b equal to 0, it becomes 0. Try to understand that 2 b's, 2 a's, 2 c's like that, anything whether it is dot or cross, it is called as box. In the box, a b b, a b, a c c, like the two numbers are same, then it becomes 0. No need to calculate about it is dot or it is cross, don't get any confused. Simply you can write as 0. Now you can write here c bar dot b bar minus a bar dot b bar minus 2 into b bar dot b bar. Here mod b bar square equal to, it is 0. This is mod b bar square. C dot b we should calculate. A dot b, 2 mod b square already given. Okay. We will be getting c bar dot b bar value. Now you can say that modulus of a dot b formula, a bar dot b bar formula, mod a into mod b into cos of a comma b minus 2 magnitude 1 equal to 0. Let it be second equation. Using second equation, you can say that using already a bar plus b bar equal to root 3 data he given. Using the data we can calculate the value a bar dot b bar. Now I am writing. Now the value a bar plus b bar equal to root 3 he given. Squaring both sides you take. Then it becomes modulus of a square plus modulus of b square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar equal to root 3. This is 1 plus this is 1 plus this is 2, a dot b equal to 3. This 2 taken that side, it becomes 1. Then you can write 2 a bar dot b bar is equal to 1. From 2 I am writing here. Now from 2 you write, then c dot b. This is c bar dot b bar, c bar dot b bar. This one. C bar dot b bar minus this is 1 into cos a comma b. Okay. A bar dot b bar is equal to 1 by 2. Simply you can write, there is no need to cos. Directly 1 by 2 you can write. 1 by 2 you write. 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So c bar dot b bar is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2, you can write 5 by 2. It is c bar dot b bar value is 5 by 2. Yes, fourth option we got. Next one. Let us discuss about fourth question. Fourth question, A, capital A. He indicated the letters with capital A, capital B, capital C. The vector satisfying conditions given. We should calculate the vector R bar. Fourth one, A is equal to, capital A bar is equal to 2I plus K he given. Capital B bar is equal to I plus J plus K, and capital C bar is equal to 4I minus 3J plus 7K. 4I minus 3J plus 7K. Then the vector satisfying condition, he given the conditions like this. R bar cross B bar he given. R bar cross B bar is equal to C bar cross B bar, and R bar dot A bar is equal to 0 also he given. R bar dot A bar equal to 0. Then what is the value of R bar? Using this condition, R bar cross B bar, now we can do this one. R bar taken this side, it becomes R bar cross B bar minus C bar equal to 0. 0 bar, it is a null vector. Taken this side, R bar cross B bar minus C bar, R cross B, this is C cross B. Somewhat. Once again, you write this step. R bar cross B bar. R bar cross B bar minus C cross B. Okay, no problem. Minus C cross B. B is second letter. Whenever second letter we can say directly R bar minus C bar. Okay, R bar minus C bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar. Therefore, we can say that R bar minus C bar vector is parallel to B bar. Whenever two vectors are parallel, we can say that the one vector can be expressed as a scalar product of the other. Here R bar minus C bar equal to lambda into B bar. R bar is equal to C bar plus lambda B bar. Let it be first equation. Using, I am writing, using R bar dot A bar is equal to 0. That implies you can write here C bar plus lambda B bar. C bar plus lambda B bar dot A bar equal to 0. C bar dot lambda B bar dot A bar. Then you can write here C bar dot A bar plus lambda into B bar dot A bar equal to 0. The value using the given vectors, C dot A is 8 plus 7, it is 15, plus lambda into B dot A, it is 2 plus 1, it is 3, equal to 0. I think already in level 3 we done 3 lambda is equal to minus 15, lambda is equal to minus 5. If lambda is equal to minus 5, substitute in 1, we can get from 1. From 1, R bar is equal to C bar minus 5B bar. Maybe level 2 we done. R bar is equal to C minus 5B. C value 4I minus 3J plus 7K minus 5B minus 5I minus 5J minus 5K. So that is equal to 4I minus 5I minus I minus 8J plus 2K. Students, this one completed in level 2. Minus 1, minus 8, 2. Same model or same sum. Minus 1, minus 8, 2. This is first option. Next, fifth question. A bar is equal to minus I minus K. B bar is equal to minus I plus J. C bar also given, and same model data given. Fifth, sixth also same model according to parallel perpendicular conditions. Sixth one, A bar is equal to minus I minus K. P bar is equal to minus I plus J. Next, C bar is equal to I plus 2J plus 3K. Be three vectors, three given vectors. If a vector such that R cross B is equal to C cross B. Condition I am writing. The condition he given as R cross B is equal to C cross B. R cross B is equal to C cross B. And R bar dot A bar equal to 0. Same. R cross B. Same concept we can use, students. R bar minus C bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar. This is B bar. R bar minus C bar is parallel to B bar. R bar minus C bar is equal to lambda into B bar. R bar minus C bar is equal to C bar plus lambda B bar. Let it be first equation using the value. Using R bar dot A bar equal to 0, then you can write that C bar plus lambda B bar dot A bar equal to 0. Dot product is not vector. Equal to 0. C bar here I plus 2. Once again I am multiplying C bar dot A bar. C bar dot A bar plus lambda into B bar dot A bar equal to 0. C dot A becomes here minus 1 minus 3. It is minus 4. Plus lambda into B dot A, here you can write 1. Simply 1. 1, that's all. Lambda into 1 equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to 4. Using from 1 I am writing. From 1. You can substitute the value, the lambda in first equation. So R bar is equal to C bar plus 4B bar. C bar plus 4B bar. So what is the value of it? First let us see the question. Fifth question. R bar dot B he is asking. R bar. So first of all R we should calculate. Okay. What is the value of R? Using this C bar plus 4B bar. C bar means I plus 2J plus 3K plus 4B means minus 4I plus 4J. Minus 4I plus 4J. Here minus 4I plus 4J. You can write here minus 3I. Minus 3I plus 6J plus 3K. This is R bar. Now find. We should calculate, find R bar dot B bar. Minus 3I plus 6J plus 3K dot. What is the value of B? Minus I plus J. Now you can write here 3 plus 6, it becomes 9. 9 is the correct answer. Now let us discuss about sixth question. Students, this is fifth one. Now this is whatever I said, this is fifth question. Now we should discuss about sixth question. Sixth question also same data. R cross B is equal to C cross B and R dot A equal to 0. ABC given. We should calculate the value R. In JEE mains, he is giving like these questions. So sixth question. So every student has to try to understand, and every student can do these sums individually. R bar cross B bar is equal to C cross B. Now you can do, I think, R cross B is equal to C cross B and R dot A is equal to 0 he given. This is dot. A bar, the vector he given, A bar is equal to 2I plus 3J minus K, and B bar is equal to 3I minus J plus K. 3I minus J plus K. And C bar is equal to I plus J plus 3K. I plus J plus 3K. Then what is the R bar? You should calculate only R bar. Given, directly given, R cross B is equal to same old process. In the previous sum. R cross B, here I am writing R cross B minus C cross B equal to 0 bar. Then you can write here R bar minus C bar cross B bar. R bar minus C bar cross B bar equal to 0. Then R bar minus C bar is equal to lambda B, because they are parallel. then you can write here R bar is equal to C bar plus lambda B bar. Using the value, using R bar dot A bar equal to 0, you can write here C bar plus lambda B bar. C bar plus lambda B bar dot A bar equal to 0. Then now we can write that the value C bar dot A bar, C bar dot A bar plus lambda into B bar dot A bar equal to 0. Using the given data, C dot A, 2 plus 3 minus 3, it becomes 2, plus lambda into B dot A. B dot A means 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 3 minus 1. 6 minus 4, that is 2, equal to 0. 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0, you can write here lambda equal to minus 1. Then from 1, here you substitute. From 1 I am writing. If you substitute the value R bar equal to C minus B. So what is the value of C minus B here? 3 minus C, this is I minus 3I minus 2I. Next J plus J, it becomes plus 2J and 3K plus 2. This is 2K minus 2I plus 2J plus 2K. That's all. You taken common 2. So R bar is equal to, we got as 2 taken common minus I plus J plus K. Dear students, we have finished 6 questions. Let us discuss in next class from 7th question to 19th question. Okay.